Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to my Now Plays. And today today is a full furnished house tour. So let's get into this. I put lots of effort in this house, so I hope you guys really like it. Okay, so first off, I made some changes over here. So here's some lamps, and we have these very cute fairy lights. Wait, let me turn them on. Well, they won't turn on, but wait, what? Okay, so they won't turn on, which is very sad, but that's okay. But at least these lights are turning on, so when they turn on, they look super duper cute, so like stay tuned for that. And then here's some river thingies, and then the doorbell, and then here's a door. This, of course, you know that does not work, and I added some umbrellas here. And here's the living room. You already know what the living room looks like, and there's some blankets under there, a lamp, a lot of things. And then I put this painting here that says Home Sweet Home. I think it's super cute, but I don't know about you. So here's the kitchen. I put really cute stools, like they're pastel colors: pastel blue, pastel yellow, pastel pink, and pastel purple. I think it is really cute and pretty. And then here's the pantry. Of course, you guys know what the pantry looks like. And then I guess you already know this room. It's the laundry room, as always. And then we go upstairs. I'm sorry if I'm saying a lot of and then. Well, this floor is no longer gray. It has wood. And let's start out with my cousin's room. This is her room. Here's her light switch, and I added lava lamps. And let me change this picture real quick because I forgot to change it, but it's really easy to change the picture. So it's not really a big deal. So I'm just gonna look for a really cute picture. Ooh, these sparkles look cute. I think I'm gonna save that. And of course, she has her closet and her bathroom, of course. Okay, where is it? Okay. So here's her bathroom. I know I like it too. And here's her desk. I added the chair finally, lol. And then, yeah, okay, now we are going to my friend's room, because to her, of course. Okay, so she doesn't have a bathroom, which is totally fine, but yeah, she can always use, and this is her humongous queen canvas bed. And then here's her desk with the cute painting. And here's her balcony. I forgot to show you guys my cousin's balcony. It's just let me show you guys that. This is my cousin's balcony. It's all finished. And now to my room. I think you already memorized my entire room, but I added some changes. I added this cute heart behind my thing, and you can access security cameras. This is my doorbell, and this is my bathroom with everything you need. My vanity, my toilet, and the closet is over there. And there's my balcony. Yeah. And as we go to the third floor, here's the storage room. There's no light in here, but still. So here's storage room. Has really old stuff like this crate and this and some cubbies and yeah. Okay, so that's the storage room. And here's the main balcony. I think you already know, but I'll still show you. So this is the main balcony. And yeah, on to the next floor. So this is the third floor. The light's right here, which is super easy. And it's wood. And here's the other balcony. And here is the red room, aka my friend's room. And then, yeah. So, of course I have a light switch. I just did that for no absolute reason. So, here's his bed. Or whoever's bed. And then here's his, their desk, and this is a Jack and Jill closet, and actually not a Jack and Jill closet, he has his own closet. Well, they have a Jack and Jill bathroom, so this blue room is connected to the Jack and Jill bathroom, so this is a Jack and Jill. And then this is the blue room, and yeah. And if you go here, it's a closet, even though the closet isn't added. I'm going to add that. There's only one thing that I forgot to do, but that's okay. And here's the guest room, as you know. The light switch is right here. Yeah. And here is the second guest room, just in case. Yeah, so here's the second guest room with the shower. And I don't know why that chair is there anyway. And if you're wondering where the baby room is, I did not forget about it. It's right over here. This oval armchair is for you to watch them play. And there's a pacifier and, this changing place and the sleeping place. Yeah, so that's that, and that is actually everything. Oh wait, whoa. Okay, so let me turn off these lights so you can read this. So I also added a painting that says always look on the bright side, which is that's really pastel-y and I love it. And here's this cute sitting area that I just made for no reason. It just looked cute, so I did it. And yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that subscribe and like button. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because then you'll be notified every time I post, which is like epic, right guys? You always want to know when I post. Anyway, about that, yeah, this video will be ending in 5. Wait, whoa, don't leave the video just yet. I still need to show you the car. Yep, show the minivan and the car, and there's a secret vehicle. My skateboard! Anyway, yeah, so now it's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the subscribe button, and Manoa Places out.